In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Airtable and set up a gallery view. It's a great way to visualize and organize your data, making it much more accessible and easier to interpret. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser, in this case, Google Chrome. Once you have it open, navigate to the Airtable website by typing in https://airtable.com in the address bar. Airtable is a highly versatile tool, great for managing projects, products, clients, and more. If it's your first time using it, you'll find the interface quite user-friendly and efficient. After you've reached the Airtable homepage, the next step is to sign in with your account. Make sure you have your login details handy. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to access the features we'll be covering today. Once you're logged in, you'll see the workspace that contains all of your bases. Think of a base as a collection of related tables, similar to a spreadsheet. Select the base that you like to work with, whether it's for projects, products, or clients. For our tutorial, we'll focus on setting up a gallery view within one of these bases. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a Views panel. This is where you can add different ways of visualizing your data. To add a gallery view, simply click on +Add View. A list of view types will appear, and from there select Gallery. Now it's time to give your new view a name, something descriptive that helps you remember its purpose, such as Product Gallery. Moving on to customization, each record in your database will appear as a card within the gallery view. Click on Customize Cards to decide what specific fields you'd like to display on each card. You might choose aspects such as images, titles, descriptions, and prices. It's all about showing the information most important to you. To ensure a clean and organized appearance, you can resize or rearrange the fields throughout the cards. This flexibility allows you to tailor the layout to best fit your needs. Next, we'll enhance your gallery's functionality with filters and sorting options. Use filters to focus on a specific subset of your data, like showing only items currently in stock. This can be incredibly helpful for honing in on what matters most to you. Similarly, sorting your cards by date, price, or name can improve the organization of your information, making it easier to find what you're looking for at a glance. Finally, once your gallery view is perfected to your liking, you might want to share it with team members or clients. Airtable's sharing capabilities make it simple to allow others to view or collaborate on your gallery. This feature is particularly useful for streamlining communication and collaboration among team members. And there you have it. You've now successfully logged into Airtable and created a customized and shareable gallery view. Feel free to explore and expand on these features to maximize your productivity and keep your data organized efficiently. Thanks for watching, and until next time.